Hey, I wanted to give a review on hurricane outbreak. But first, I hope everybody is doing okay from Hurricane Ida along the Gulf Coast, Louisiana. I hope people out there can, if you're able to help, they need your help. I wish I could help. COVID has done a number on my body, and I'm still recovering after being debilitated for a year and a half. I'd be helping if I was able to, and I'm in a situation not unlike many of them are dealing with. Anyway, hurricane outbreak, pretty cool. You get these settings. You have to purchase the global warming one, or you can do the realistic. And sorry if I get confused and make sense. Sorry, it's the brain issues from COVID, so bear with me. So you start with realistic, and I've already completed a few. I think I'm going on category 2 now. This is category 1. You follow these scenarios. And I still got one more category 1, so I'll finish that. So what I do is I gotta hit Cuba with a category 1 hurricane. As you get closer, they'll start preparing themselves, and you have to hit that target number, which for this one, 40,000. For the one before that, on the left you can see 12,000 prepared in Puerto Rico, 13,000 prepared in Dominican Republic, and 9,000 prepared in Haiti. And so as you get closer to your target area, they'll start preparing themselves automatically. Alright, so I'm going to start with this one, the last one before I unlock category 2. And it's fun because I'm just taking the one on the left side, I used to draw maps with dry erase boards and stuff as a kid and pretend I was a weatherman. I've always been a weather freak, tornadoes and hurricanes. I was reading college level books on tornadoes and hurricanes and meteorology in 2nd grade. Everybody always called me the weatherman. But I'll show you. You have to check up. to get this water vapor. I'm going to make over, come down, and I'll probably hit you. I don't know how Cuba is in this thing. I know the right side of Cuba, the eastern side, is so I don't know if they can do that. So I'm going to try to go. I'm going to cross Florida and come around and try to go through the center of Cuba. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for the Eastern Southeast. Just to see. I mean, they probably do. I'm probably going to check it. No, I would. I wouldn't make So now I'm going to show you. You can watch a video and get some hurricane points. That is what you're going to use to upgrade your hurricane. I'll show you that in just a moment. So I'm going to click summary, and this will show you your total damage, structural damage, flood damage, people killed by felling structures, which I did not kill anybody during the felling structure, and I did not kill anybody in the flood. And the last is the total population exposed. And the most damaged city is Portsmouth, Dominica, with 446 damage. Alright, so close that. I'm just going to sacrifice and not get my extra 5 points with a commercial. Alright, so we'll go continue, and at the bottom you'll see upgrades. And so I'm going to click on all of them. I currently have these 3. Start with land creature. That costs 15. The hurricane is more resilient over land. Warm waters. Traveling along water increases strength, which, of course, I mean, it's a hurricane, right? Growth spurt. Consuming water vapor areas increase hurricane strength. I still have to... I have 120 points. I might be able to... Oh, it's 220. So I still got to get 100 more points to do this one. This one is water vapor areas give a large shock to the hurricane strength. That's what's going to get me to category 2, I guess. So then at the top, strength. Go to that. I currently have... I don't have that one. I started... this one. Okay, I currently only have wind gust. Cause additional damage and flooding. Trying to decide. I got storm surge too. Population in low-lying areas have heavier flooding and drowning. Weak structures I could get now. Inferior residential structures are destroyed easier, causing more death in the argument. So I'm gonna get that one. And I don't have enough now to break the levees. Flying debris, that's 120. Hurricane picks up heavy materials to cause more damage to structures, and I guess actually spins up some tornadoes maybe. So right now I can't get those. Then you've got these Leech 2, additional strength, Leech 1, additional strength. Landfall, making landfall does more damage in an area in that point where it's landfall. And landfall 2, additional damage. So, then lastly we have abilities. I have not done any of these yet, but I may... I'm not sure. I don't think I'm going to do that yet because I think I need to get the strength and everything up a little more. But we got price gouging, delay evacuation, drowning, media propaganda. God knows there's plenty of that out there. And supply shortage. Alright, well, I guess that's about it for this video. But all in all, I'll recommend it if you need something to do to pass your time. And you can upgrade to, I don't know, let's see, how much does that cost? It's $4.99 for the premium. That's not bad at all. But I haven't $1, so I'm gonna try to unlock it. Little anyways,